Today, I have brought a video for you that promises to do wonders for our skin, just like expensive facials. If you enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and share it. As Eid is approaching, facials become a necessity. However, even after getting a facial, we often find ourselves working in the kitchen, which can undo the benefits and leave our skin looking dull again. So, I urge you to try the mask I've created. It's highly cost-effective and offers remarkable benefits for our skin without any adverse effects. The ingredients for this mask include gram flour, sandalwood powder, and rose water. If you have oily skin, use rose water to prepare this mask. If your skin is dry, opt for raw milk, and if it's normal, yogurt works well too. Start by taking a tablespoon of gram flour, add half a tablespoon of sandalwood powder, and mix them thoroughly. Then, gradually add rose water until you achieve a paste-like consistency. If the paste is too thick, you can add more rose water. I've prepared a small amount of the mask here as I'm demonstrating it by applying it to my hand. If you intend to apply it to your face, make a slightly larger quantity so you can cover your face, hands, and neck. Once the paste is ready, apply it to your face and massage gently for 10 minutes. If the mask begins to dry out, spritz some rose water to keep it moist. After 10 minutes, rinse your face with plain water. This mask will leave your skin with a radiant glow, and after using it, you won't feel the need for any additional face cleanser or wash. You can incorporate this mask into your daily skincare routine.